Sometimes we need to write some text in superscript or subscript form. Let's see them in action. Example of superscript. That can be, if I write the date of today, today is 19th October 2021. Here I can write this th in the superscript form. Then I need a superscript tag, that is sup. Write th between them and remove this extra th. Okay. Another example can be used in math formulas, that is a plus b's whole square. To write this 2 in whole square form, I need a superscript form tag. As usual, I copy this superscript tag along with 2. If b's whole square equal to a square plus b square plus ab. This is an example of superscript. Now let's see the subscript. Example of subscript. Likewise, superscript tag is the first 3 word letters, that is sup. In the same manner, subscript tag's name is sub. Example of subscript is like chemical formulas, and water's famous chemical name, that is H2O. To show this 2 in subscript form, I need to use the subscript tag. Likewise, we can use methane. Methane can be used. Methane's chemical formula is CH4. And one more example, carbon dioxide. CO2. Save the file and see the result in Explorer. Here th in the superscript form, here 2 is in the form of superscript text, and here 2, 4 or 2 is in the form of subscript form. Thank you.